Hi Tigers, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. And in today's video, I'm going to be seeing offers for my Mega Neon Exotic Balloon Unicorn. And in this server, I'm also going to be doing ASMR while looking for my trades. So I did recently get this Mega Neon Balloon Unicorn earlier today from one of my really good friends, Livy, in Adopt Me. She asked me if I wanted to give her my neon ones for her Mega one, because she was looking to downgrade her Mega one for 4 regular neon ones. So thank you so much, Livy, for doing this trade with me, because now I can see some offers for this amazing high value exotic pet. I'm not sure if the value is still really high. I think it's quite high. Let me know in the comments if it's over 100, because I haven't actually checked on Alva Bread what the value is. If I get a really good offer, I will check on Alva Bread to see if I should do it or not. But I really hope that you enjoyed this video, Tigers, and I also really hope that you enjoy the ASMR.
Lucy! It's ready. No, you put it down here. Yeah, come on.
Mama,
Yeah.
I have new things to say. I'm very But I don't get it. One day, when my children have a club that needs, like, you know,
Kids.
yeah, as a kid, but then after you work then last
Yeah.
but
Thursday.
Thursday.
Yeah. I know, there's just been like every
Right.
You want some cheese on top or not?
Yeah. I was actually gonna ask to not be in next Sunday until I saw the count of lessons because I thought I'd be dead in my car. You know lessons on my keys. I wouldn't say that. Yeah. I was said to explain. Can I reply?
has three months. Yeah. No, like this is the only time Anna is going to get confused. Tomorrow. That's it.
Yes, but she's had it for 2 years. No.
What? Do you know how to Sabrina?
Yes. You know what that means? Okay, so we didn't actually get any trades in this server, but I did actually get so many offers for my Mega Neon Balloon Unicorn. I did not know it was that wanted in Adopt Me. I was just getting trade after trade after trade, and there was also another Mega Neon Balloon Unicorn in the server, so maybe they were getting some trades as well. That may be why I didn't get like as many trades, but I did get some really good offers. One of them had 2 king monkeys in, and a lot of like other mega pets, and it also had that animated sticker. Let me know in the comments, Tigers, if that animated sticker is valuable and if it's worth a lot, because even if it's worth a lot, I kind of think it's hard to trade. I mean, I don't know, do you think that's true, Tigers? Do you think stickers are kind of hard to trade, especially the ones that are like worth a lot? I don't think they'll probably get an offer that's worth the full value, because I feel like pets are wanted more than the stickers in Adopt Me right now. But I really hope that you enjoyed the ASMR, Tigers, because I really enjoyed doing it for you. And comment down any video ideas that you want me to do. I'll be really happy to read your comments and do them. So I really hope that you enjoyed the ASMR, Tigers. And please remember to like and subscribe if you did enjoy, so you never miss another one of my videos. And in my next video, I'm going to be announcing how you can win one of my new Halloween fits that I've made for some of you Tiger Cubs. So I really hope you enjoyed, Tigers, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, Tigers!